Hello, we are the Salas family and we're currently on a round the world trip.
We're staying in Cusco, and so far we've explored the city and some of the surrounding archaeological parks. Pisac, Kenko, Sacsayhuaman, Moraz, and Moray.
Now it's time to make our way to the mother of them all, Machu Picchu. Oh my god, we're up at the crack of dawn, which always sounds like a really good idea the night before, because we're going to Machu Picchu! Where are we going, Seneca? Are we taking a choo-choo train? Yeah, and there's the others with the bags. Hailing a taxi.
So, how do we get to Machu Picchu?
Well, it's a bit of a trek. You can do Machu Picchu in a day trip, but we're opting to do an overnight so we can have a little bit of a slower pace. First, it involves getting out of Cusco into the train station, which is a taxi. And then once you get to the train station, you have to take a 3-hour train to Aguas Calientes. All right, step 2, the train. Okay, Nana. In order to get to Machu Picchu, we have to take a taxi, a train, a bus, and probably our feet. Which are you most excited to do? And then once you get to that town, you have to make sure you have your ticket to the archaeological park, and you have to get a bus ticket up. Unless, of course, you want to spend a bit of extra time climbing the actual mountain, which you can do for free, but we're gonna do the bus route because I don't think our kids would be up to that. We might not either.
Once you get to Machu Picchu, you have a number of different options. The most popular is doing a tour of the Citadel, which is that iconic city photo that you see all over the place. All of Machu Picchu is truly impressive. So after doing a tour of the Citadel, we opted to hike the Sun Gate. Break time.
We're climbing up the big mountain.
Here we are.
The new recess. So we found the 6-hour pass was sufficient to do everything we needed to at Machu Picchu. And after that, we just took the bus back down, checked into our hotel, and went to bed. And then we spent a little of the next day exploring the town before we took the train back.
On the way back to Cusco from Machu Picchu, we took Inca Rail and we made a stop in Ollantaytambo. We definitely recommend stopping there if you're looking to break it up. There's also a luggage check, so you can take your luggage off, safely check it, and explore the town. Ollantaytambo was a massive Incan Empire fortress. So you can hike up. There's, of course, one of many beautiful vistas in the Andean mountains.
It's really incredible how much they've packed into the Sacred Valley. There's honestly so much to see. We have had such a beautiful time in the Cusco area, but we have to continue our tour through the Americas.
Next up is Lima. We'll see you there.